In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Euro futures today as they're realizing further upside today. We're seeing them now up for a second session. And really over the last couple of weeks, we have experienced some upside range for the Euro futures, currently trading at a 1-month high. One spot 0756 is where the futures market's trading, and that is the top end of the range for today's price action. As the markets are adjusting here for several themes, and I think when you look at the Euro futures, a couple of the driving factors today. Number one, ECB President Lagarde yesterday indicating that she sees savings rates coming out of the negative territory by the fall. So that's an indication that the ECB is expected to continue to maintain a slight shift here in monetary tightening, and therefore we're seeing the possibility for interest rates slowly increasing in the Eurozone. And that was reiterated yesterday, and I think that that's one of the catalysts that helped propel the Euro futures higher. Now, the second one was some data points this morning with the PMI data coming out of Europe, and that came in a little stronger than anticipated as well. So I think you're seeing just the general impacts that are unfolding here as these themes from central banks across the globe continue to evolve. And definitely, certainly, when you look at the dollar now trading at a 1-month low, so we are seeing the pairs trades versus the dollar shifting here in the last month. And when you look at just the general trends in those trades, we are seeing, as I mentioned, the Euro futures trading at 1-month highs. Also, the Japanese yen and the Swiss franc continue to realize upside here for the better part of the last month. So we're seeing all three of those futures markets and those pairs trades versus the dollar stronger month over month. And when you look at some of the other trends, we're still seeing the British pound struggling, and also a shifting dynamic in the Australian dollar as well, and the Canadian dollar are under a little pressure here as some of the themes that we did see with those exporters were benefiting earlier in the year. Now we're seeing the possibility of slowing economic conditions with interest rates continuing to potentially rise, and therefore it seems like it's shifting the dynamic back towards some of the currencies that were struggling earlier in the year, particularly when you look at the euro and the Japanese yen.